everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to explain you about Selenium. Here, before going to the actual code of Selenium, I would like to explain you about what is meant by Selenium. Selenium is a tool for automating the web-based applications. So this is the Intellij editor. Here I have created the one project name called Java. And with the help of Selenium, Selenium can work with different programming languages, and it also can work with different browsers. So I have taken the project name called Java, and here I have created the test class. Before getting to the actual code of Selenium, we need to import the jar files. Here you can see the external libraries. In these external libraries, we have the Selenium jar files. I actually imported the jar files before this video. In order to download the jar files, this is the official web page of Selenium. And here you have to go for downloads. And in this downloads, according to your programming language, you need to download the jar files. As I am comfortable with the Java programming language, I have downloaded the jar files from the Java downloads. So you can download according to your programming language. So coming to the actual code, I have imported the jar files and I will show you how to import the jar files in Intellij editor. Go to file and here in the project structure, go to modules, and in the dependencies, you need to add the jar files that you want to use in the program. Actually, I added the jar files. After adding the jar files, just click on apply here and click on OK. So the jar files will be imported into your program as external libraries. These are the jar files. Now let's start our code. Let's write the main method. Now we need to define Webdriver. Webdriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. So when I write this code, you can see the packages are imported. Webdriver package is imported and Chrome driver package is also imported. Here, what's the meaning of this line means? Webdriver is an interface that is present in the Selenium, and here driver is the reference variable. That means driver is a type of WebDriver. Coming to the Chrome driver, here I want to automate my web application in the Chrome based browser. If you want to automate any web application like with different browsers, you have to inform here. Like I want to automate my web application in Chrome browser. For that's why I have defined Chrome driver. If I want to automate my web application in Firefox browser means I have to define here Firefox driver. Based on the browser that you have taken, that should be defined here. So I have taken Chrome browser, for that's why I have defined Chrome driver. Now next, I want to get the URL. For this driver dot, you can see different methods here. So which is the suitable method to get the URL means get method, get string. I want to automate Google application. I want to automate Google search engine application. This is the site, right? So I have to give the link of the URL https www.google.com. So after giving here, this line will gets the URL link. Now, after getting the URL link, I just want to close my browser. Let's execute and see. Here you can see the browser is open and Google, it gets the link of the google.com and it automatically closes. So this is happening in fraction of seconds. So this is the beauty of automation testing. You can see previously when I executed these 3 lines of code, it gets the URL and it closed automatically. Now I want to maximize my screen. Like I want to make my window to full screen. For this, driver dot, I want to manage my window to maximize so that my screen would be in full screen mode. Let's execute and see. Browser is open and it gets the URL Google and it maximized and it closed. So this is all this is all about this. Now let's see the Google page. Now this is the application that I want to test, right? I want to test this test area. This is the search box, right? Now I want to test this search box. For this, I have to right click on this, go to inspect. Now select the box that you want to test. So this is the test area field, right? You can see when I click on this, it is highlighting the text area box. Now right click on it and copy the XPath. XPath is the locator to identify the element. We can have different types of locators to identify the elements in Selenium, like ID, name, class name, CSS selector. There are different types of locators. Now, in these different types of locators, I have copied the XPath of the text area. So driver dot, I want to find the element. Find the element by what I have copied by XPath. You can see the different locators. We can also copy the class name. We can also find by ID, find by link test, name. These are the, we can also find the elements with these methods. You can see these methods. So at present, I have copied the XPath. So let's give XPath and just paste the XPath that you have copied. Dot. Here, what we can do, we can we can search the data here, right? If you want to search for automation, you can search here. Or else if you want to search any kind of information, you will search here, right? So you have to pass some information. For this, you have to use a method called send keys method. Here you have to give what what information you want to search for. So I want to search for automation. For that's why I'm giving automation. Now it takes the automation as a key and it will close automatically. So let's execute this one. The browser is open. It gets the link. Okay, it's happened in fraction of seconds. So let's stop the execution for a while. So for this thread.sleep, I'm just stopping the execution for 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. Add the exception. Now let's execute so that you can see the automation key. The browser is open. You can see the automation. After 2 seconds, the browser will be closed. So this is how to send the keys like in an element. Suppose after sending the keys, I want to search it for. For this, you have to write here. You need to write keys dot. You need to enter. Then it will go to the particular page. As you have searched for automation, when it's like a pressing enter key to that. So let's see. The browser is open. It gets the URL and it takes automation and it went to that particular automation site and it closed automatically. This is about the XPath locator, how to find an element with the help of XPath. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.